We're trying to figure out the greatest common divisor or greatest common factor of 12 and n. So look at clue. So that's the largest number that will go into both of them. So the product, which means multiplication of 12 and n, so that means 12 times n is 432, and that would mean n is 36. And you don't have to figure out what n is. Just know that you've got one of your numbers 12 and the other number is 36, and you can figure out, what is the greatest common divisor of 12 and 36. You could go through the process of doing that. So clue 1 works. Clue 2. The greatest common divisor of 24 and n is 12. So the greatest common divisor, this is tricky, of 24 and n is 12. It's giving you the answer. The greatest common divisor is 12. And it can't be anything larger than 12 because 12, you can't say 15 because 15 won't go into 12. The greatest common divisor of 12 and n is 12. That's answering your question for you. So both of them work independently. So the answer is E. No, D. E is when nothing works. So your answer is D.